Here we are out in the shop again. I'm working on my Husqvarna YTH 2454. It's a common size mower, common size tires and wheels. As you can see, did a little modification, which wasn't all that complicated. I took these 20 by 10 by 8 wheels off. Made myself a little set of hubs. I had these other wheels, which are 23 by 1050 12-inch wheels, and it made a tremendous difference on this mower. It's just a whole different mower. Before, when I was mowing the smaller tires, my setting, as you can see, is at 5. That's all the lower I could go, which gave me ground clearance issues. We don't have all that rough of a lawn or yard, but at high center, be off, pulling it out of a hole or off a hump. And so anyways, that's what prompted this. I had the tires and wheels and thought, what the heck, and give it a try. And I'm sure I'm not the only one with this issue. But anyways, a little adjusting on the deck with the lead screws and things down under. Now, it dropped down to 2. I normally mow at 3. But now when I get high centered, it's just a matter of raise it up, pull ahead, lower it back down, and continue mowing. These hubs will work on all sorts of different mowers. So if you're interested in a set of hubs, $100 a pair, plus shipping. It's just a matter of sliding your wheel off, slide these hubs on, put that little keeper ring back on there. And there's a couple of set screws in the hubs, the new ones. Secure them, and then bolt your new tires and wheels on and adjust your deck, and away you go. So anybody that's interested, 970-630-4767. Thanks for watching.